Hey everyone, my name is Bharat, and for the next 180 days I am on a mission to transform myself into an LLM engineer. That means learning everything about Python, AI and large language models, and here I will be sharing everything with you. So who I am? A little about me. I am from Hyderabad, currently finishing diploma and about to enter BTech. A couple of years ago I was lost. I play a lot of games, anime and many things. I even had small YouTube channel, many of like you. Then something changed. I realized I want to be an LLM engineer and secure my job in future. So here I will be share everything with you about my journey, YouTube content and many things about students. What I want to be? I want to be an LLM engineer. So you might ask, what is LLM engineering? LLM engineers are the people who build applications using ChatGPT, cloud, etc. They design chatbots, automation tools, AI agents, and everything about AI by using existing large language models API. So here is the exciting part. We just start with Python. My plan or journey. So I created a 180 days roadmap. It starts from Python mastery, then one framework Flask and AI integration with Hugging Face and creating chatbots using large language models. But it's not just about coding, it is also personal growth, no distractions, no wasting time. And I also deleted Snapchat, Instagram to fully focus on this journey. And trust me, I'm gonna share everything, my struggles, my process and the lessons I learned from this journey. What you will get from this channel. So what kind of content you can expect from this channel? 1. Tutorials, basic Python and AI, motivation and mindset, about how to stay focused and building mindset. Shorts, quick AI tips, quick AI informations, LLM topics. So that's me and that's my journey. If you want to become an LLM engineer, you can follow my 180 day journey. Or if you want to just Python basics or AI basics, make sure subscribe and join me. Let's build, let's grow and make this journey unforgettable. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.